from what I can see, it doesn't look like a driver. There's trees on the right, there's a hazard I can see, and there's bunkers on the left. But I'm going to take a look at my Garmin and see that it's 180 yards to the hazard, so not as big a problem as I thought. The bunkers, it's 210 to carry, so I can actually hit my driver because I'm able to clear all of the hazard. So I've hit my drive to leave me 71 yards to the front of the green, 82 to the middle and 94 to the back. So you can see the pins at the front, so really I want to be hitting it around 75 yards.